There's something deeply mesmerizing about walking into a living room that feels calm, grounded, and perfectly balanced. A place where natural light, smooth wooden textures, and soft neutral tones quietly speak the language of peace. That's the essence of Japandi living rooms. Spaces where Japanese simplicity meets Scandinavian warmth, creating harmony through design that feels both minimal and deeply human. Imagine entering a room where the first thing you notice is not furniture, not decoration, but the feeling. Sunlight filters softly through linen curtains, washing over pale oak floors and clean, balanced lines. Every surface feels intentional. There's space to breathe, to move, to pause. This is design stripped of noise, where comfort and elegance blend so seamlessly that they become almost invisible. Japandi interiors are built on the belief that beauty and function can live as one. Open layouts encourage freedom and flow, connecting the living area with the outdoors. Low furniture, natural fabrics, and gentle shapes create a quiet rhythm that instantly slows your heartbeat. It's not about filling the room, it's about finding balance. The materials tell the story. Light wood dominates, smooth, matte, warm under sunlight. Oak, ash and bamboo set the tone, framing the room with an organic presence that feels calm and grounded. Stone, clay and woven fibers add layers of texture, bringing depth without distraction. Every element feels honest and natural, nothing artificial, nothing unnecessary. A Japandi living room thrives on contrast that doesn't compete but complements. You'll see the clean geometry of Scandinavian design meeting the Zen-inspired asymmetry of Japanese aesthetics. A linen sofa with straight, minimal lines sits beside a rounded wooden coffee table. A simple pendant light, soft and sculptural, hangs quietly above. The balance between light and dark, between simplicity and warmth, is what makes it feel alive. Colors stay gentle and restrained. White, beige, sand and soft grey form the foundation. Black appears only as an accent, maybe in a lamp base, a frame, or the thin legs of a chair. Just enough to define the space without breaking its calm. The goal is serenity, not perfection. The palette allows your mind to rest and your eyes to wander without tension. And then there's the wood, not polished to shine, but finished to feel natural to the touch. Sleek wooden accents define everything, from floating shelves and side tables to slender chair legs and framed details along the wall. These subtle lines give structure to the softness. The beauty lies in restraint. Nothing ornamental, nothing loud. Just timeless craftsmanship that feels as warm as it looks. Light plays a starring role. Large windows are left open or dressed with sheer fabrics, allowing natural light to move freely through the room. During the day, sunlight dances across the wood, shifting tones as hours pass. In the evening, soft lamps with paper or linen shades glow gently, creating an atmosphere that feels like dusk, calm, meditative, perfectly still. If that sense of calm and beauty speaks to you, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts below. Tell us which element, the natural materials, the wooden textures, or the Zen-inspired balance, draws you most. Until next time, may your home be a reflection of peace, simplicity, and quiet sophistication that never goes out of style.